More people are choosing plant-based diets. This growing trend is not just a fleeting fad, but a significant shift in how we think about food and nutrition. This way of eating prioritizes fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. These nutrient-dense foods are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support overall health and well-being. It's a powerful choice for health, the environment, and animals. By reducing our reliance on animal products, we can lower our carbon footprint and promote sustainability. Scientific research shows the benefits of plant-based eating. Studies have linked plant-based diets to lower risks of chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. People are sharing their inspiring stories of transformation. Many have experienced significant weight loss, improved energy levels, and better overall health after making the switch. This shift towards plants is a positive trend. Communities are coming together to support each other in this journey, creating a sense of camaraderie and shared purpose. This essay will explore the many reasons to embrace a plant-based lifestyle. From personal health benefits to global environmental impacts, the advantages are vast and compelling. We'll delve into the science, hear from individuals, and discover the far-reaching impact of our food choices. Experts will share their insights, and everyday people will recount their journeys. Let's embark on a journey to understand the proven power of a plant-based diet. Together, we'll uncover how this lifestyle can transform our health, our communities, and our planet. A plant-based diet is a prescription for good health. It's not just a trend, but a lifestyle choice that can lead to a longer, healthier life. By focusing on whole, unprocessed plant foods, you can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs to thrive. Studies show that it can help prevent and even reverse chronic diseases. Research consistently supports the benefits of a plant-based diet in reducing the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Imagine the joy of receiving good news from your doctor, knowing that your dietary choices have made a significant impact on your health. Plant-based foods are naturally low in saturated fat and cholesterol. This means they can help maintain healthy blood pressure and cholesterol levels. When you cook with fresh vegetables and fruits, you're not just making a meal, you're investing in your well-being. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. These nutrients are crucial for maintaining a healthy immune system and promoting overall wellness. A vibrant smoothie packed with these ingredients can be a delicious way to start your day. These nutrients protect against heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. By incorporating a variety of plant-based foods into your diet, you can enjoy meals that are both nutritious and delicious, while also safeguarding your health. Research by Dr. Dean Ornish showed that a plant-based diet can reverse heart disease. His groundbreaking studies have demonstrated that lifestyle changes, including diet, can lead to significant improvements in heart health. Imagine the relief and happiness of seeing positive results in your heart health. The Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine highlights the benefits for diabetes management. They emphasize that a plant-based diet can help control blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a powerful tool in managing diabetes. A plant-based diet is medicine on your plate. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish your body and support your health. By choosing a variety of nutrient-rich plant foods, you can create delicious dishes that are both satisfying and beneficial. By choosing plant-based foods, you nourish your body and reduce your risk of chronic illness. It's a simple yet powerful way to take control of your health. Whether you're shopping for fresh produce at the market or preparing a meal at home, every choice you make can contribute to a healthier, happier life. Countless individuals have experienced life-changing benefits on a plant-based diet. From weight loss to increased vitality, the stories are endless and inspiring. They report improved energy levels, weight management, and better digestion. Many find that their overall mood and mental clarity also see significant enhancements. One inspiring story is that of Rich Roll, an ultra-endurance athlete. Rich transformed his life by adopting a plant-based diet, proving that it's never too late to make a change. He adopted a plant-based diet in his 40s and achieved peak physical fitness. His journey from struggling with health issues to becoming a top athlete is truly remarkable. His story shows that plant-based eating can fuel athletic performance. Many other athletes have followed in his footsteps, discovering the benefits of plant-based nutrition for endurance and strength. Many individuals share their stories of reversing type 2 diabetes. They talk about how switching to a plant-based diet has helped them manage their blood sugar levels more effectively and reducing their dependence on medication. This dietary change has allowed them to take control of their health in ways they never thought possible. Others report improved skin health, reduced inflammation, and a clearer complexion. The benefits extend beyond just physical health, impacting their confidence and self-esteem, and a greater sense of well-being. The holistic benefits of a plant-based diet contribute to a more balanced and fulfilling life. These real-life experiences demonstrate the transformative power of plant-based eating. From physical health to emotional well-being, the impact is profound and far-reaching. Our food choices have a significant impact on the environment. Animal agriculture is a leading contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. Plant-based diets require far fewer resources to produce. Growing plants uses less land, water, and energy compared to raising animals for food. By choosing plant-based foods, we can reduce our environmental footprint. We can help conserve precious resources and mitigate climate change. Making conscious food choices is an act of environmental stewardship. Section 5. Kindness on a plate. A plant-based diet aligns with compassion for animals. Factory farming practices cause immense suffering to billions of animals each year. By choosing plant-based foods, we opt out of this system of cruelty. We can help reduce the demand for animal products and promote a more humane food system. Every meal is an opportunity to make a difference for animals. We can vote for a kinder world with our forks. Let's extend our circle of compassion to include all living beings. Section 6. Finding your plant-based path. Transitioning to a plant-based diet doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start by gradually incorporating more plant-based meals into your week. Experiment with new recipes and explore different cuisines. There's a world of delicious plant-based food to discover. Seek out support from online communities, cookbooks, and local groups. Connecting with others can make the journey more enjoyable and sustainable. Remember, every step towards a plant-based diet is a step towards better health, a healthier planet, and a kinder world. Section 7. Deliciously diverse and satisfying. Plant-based eating is far from boring. It's a culinary adventure filled with vibrant flavors and endless possibilities. Explore global cuisines rich in plant-based dishes, like Mediterranean, Indian, and Asian cuisines. Enjoy hearty stews, flavorful curries, and colorful stir-fries. Discover the versatility of legumes, tofu, tempeh, and seitan as plant-based protein sources. Experiment with different herbs, spices, and sauces to add flavor and variety. A plant-based diet can be incredibly delicious and satisfying, catering to diverse tastes and preferences. Section 8. Busting myths about plant-based eating. There are many misconceptions surrounding plant-based diets. Some worry about protein deficiency, but plant-based foods offer ample protein. Legumes, tofu, tempeh, seitan, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of plant-based protein. A well-planned plant-based diet provides all the essential nutrients your body needs. Another myth is that plant-based eating is expensive. However, focusing on whole, unprocessed plant foods like beans, lentils, and grains can be very affordable. By debunking these myths, we can empower more people to embrace the benefits of a plant-based lifestyle. Section 9. Resources for your plant-based journey. Numerous resources are available to support you on your plant-based journey. Websites like nutritionfacts.org and Forks Over Knives provide evidence-based information. Explore cookbooks by plant-based chefs and food bloggers for recipe inspiration. Join online communities and social media groups for support and connection. Consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional for personalized guidance and meal planning. With the right resources, transitioning to a plant-based diet can be easy and enjoyable. Section 10. Embrace the power of plants. Choosing a plant-based diet is a powerful act of self-care, environmental stewardship, and animal compassion. It's a decision that benefits your health, the planet, and all its inhabitants. Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your week. Experiment with new recipes, explore different cuisines, and discover the joy of plant-based cooking. Embrace the power of plants to nourish your body, reduce your environmental impact, and create a kinder, more sustainable world. Together, let's embark on a plant-powered revolution for a healthier and more compassionate future.